Hey friends, it's Jacqueline here. In today's video I'm bringing you my review, demo, swatches, comparisons, and this eyeshadow look using the brand new Tom Ford Rose Topaz Eyeshadow Quad. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know more details about this new cream eyeshadow formulation from Tom Ford, then just keep on watching. I have mentioned it a couple times here on my channel that Tom Ford was coming with new quads in a new formulation. So we have the classic formulation from Tom Ford, then we have seen his new extreme formula that has actually improved quite a bit from previous extreme formulations, and also his wet and dry formula, in addition to the new formula that we have seen on the Bitter Peach collection, the Peche eyeshadow quad that not too long ago I did a review on it. And now he has this new formulation called a creme formula, eye color quads creme. That's how he's calling them. And with this new formula, he has launched 3 different quads. One is called Rose Topaz, the other one is called Tiger Eye, and also a Smoky. I went ahead and picked up 2 of them, Rose Topaz and Tiger Eye. Depending on how much I like this formulation, I may end up purchasing the other quad and see from there. But today I'm gonna be reviewing Rose Topaz. I'm getting ready right now, and I thought, you know what, they just arrived, so I wanna give it a go. The quads are also made in Italy, and I will be leaving all the details of my makeup and where to find these quads on the description box below for your convenience, along with the links. Okay, my friends, so here you go. There's nothing different about the Unicard. On the top it says right here Rose Topaz, and if you're new here, I film in natural light, so hopefully this gives you the best representation on how this product looks like if you were to look at them in person. As you take the eye quad out of the box, it comes with the Suede Light pouch, and there you go, Tom Ford. Let's just take a peek right here. Same kind of casing, really beautiful, and let's take a peek how it looks inside. Oh, that's beautiful. Now it looks very much like the classic formulation where you get just, you know, kind of like these celestial shades, matte shades, satin shades. That's how it looks like, but let's see how they feel upon swatching them. Ooh, they feel creamy, but this one looks like a matte shade. This one right here. Oh, this looks like wet. It's gorgeous. And another creamy shade. So this one right here looks like a gorgeous metallic foil shade. This one is more satin, borderline metallic. Then these 2 are mattes, but they feel so super creamy. Now to swatch them, this hand right here is so swollen. Yesterday I fell down again. So again, this is my second fall of the year. I don't know what's going on with me. Okay, let's just give it a go here. Oh, they glide. Oh my goodness, like a dream. Look at this gorgeous shade. I like the pigmentation and how soft they look. They look very soft, not crumbly, like actually creamy without being a cream. Hopefully it makes sense. And do not worry, I will make sure to do a separate review on Tiger Eye. It's just that I don't have enough time today to do, you know, like 2 in 1. But if you want to see it, this one right here is Tiger Eye, a little bit more warmer in tone. So make sure for you to be on the lookout whenever I upload a review for Tiger Eye. And I have another eyeshadow quad from Tom Ford coming into me too that I will make a separate review. Okay, let's just start with this right here. SONIA G Classic Crease. And I'm taking this shade above the crease. Okay, it's matte, but it does have a little bit of luminosity. Like it's applying kind of like a cream kind of eyeshadow, and it does have pigmentation right away. And I'm taking the same shade and I'm just applying it on my outer third Sonia G Mini Booster, and I'm gonna go with the deepest shade. And I'm just gonna very lightly, because it does have a ton of pigment, diffuse it on the outer third, just to give a little bit of dimension right here. But I'm tapping lightly too. Sonia G Builder Pro, and I'm gonna go with this shade. And I'm applying it from the inner portion of my eyelid all the way until it meets with the deepest shade. Smith 253 brush. And I'm applying it right on the center of the eyelid. Oh wow, it's so pretty. REPHR 28 brush. I'm gonna take this shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Sonia G Flat Definer, and I'm taking it beneath my lower lash line, like super close, and this has a lot of pigment. I'm gonna go back with the number 28 brush. I'm going to this shade, and I'm just gonna diffuse it a little bit. Tom Ford Liquid Eyeliner. Now that I have you here close, I want to go ahead and start doing some comparisons. So here I have Rose Topaz, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it really quick again. And I'm going to swatch it right here, kind of like in the middle. So I have it right here. And you know what? This shade right here reminds me quite a bit the shade that we find in Dior's Soft Cashmere. This shade right here. I think the one from Tom Ford is just a little bit lighter in tone and not as cool. Let me just put them up here. So I have here the one from Tom Ford, and then down here from Rose Cashmere. And this one right here is a little bit lighter. And now another eyeshadow palette that I want to compare it to is this one right here, Meteoric. This one came out, what was it, 2019 I think, or 2020, perhaps 2020. So this one right here is Meteoric, and this one right here is Rose Topaz. Different formulation though. This formulation that we have here, Rose Topaz Tiger Eye, it's a new formula for Tom Ford. So I'm gonna swatch Meteoric. And Meteoric, you cannot find it anymore. If I find it, I will make sure, and whatever I find, obviously, I will leave it on the description box below. Yeah, Meteoric is a lot lighter. And although different formulation, I wanted also to compare it to Nude Deep. And then I'm gonna put it right here below. This one right here, it's a boo-boo that I had from fall. Oh, goodness me, I don't know what's going on with me on my falls. There you go, there's Nude Deep, Rose Topaz. Definitely not equal, but they can be kind of like sisters. To me, if you like Nude Deep, you're gonna like a lot Rose Topaz. They're not the same. They are definitely different, but you see what I mean? They kind of like go together well. Another that kind of reminds me of these Rose Topaz is Disco Dust. So I have here Disco Dust, and this one is a permanent one. Disco Dust and Rose Topaz. I'm gonna swatch Disco Dust right here. So this is Rose Topaz right here, from here to here, and this is Disco Dust. Rose Topaz. Similar, but they do have definitely a different finish. Okay, my friends, completely done with the eyeshadow look. Fragrance of the day, Tom Ford Lost Cherry. This is a gorgeous almond cherry fragrance, but it does have a little bit of character. I really love that it's not overly sweet. It's just such a gorgeous warm fragrance, ideal for this time of the year, like fall and winter. It smells just so delicious, and it's so, honestly, unique and one of my favorite fragrances from Tom Ford. Now that we have gone through application swatches and comparisons, I'm ready to give you my final thoughts about this Beauty Rose Topaz number 35. Let me tell you that the quality of this eyeshadow is amazing. Believe me when I'm telling you, perhaps this formulation, if I have to rank it, I will go first wet and dry formula and then this cream formulation, because it's so smoothing to the eyelids. I cannot see, I do have texture on my eyelids and I do have fine lines. It's not gathering, there's no fallout, it looks gorgeous. It was so easy to get done. It's just incredible. This formula, 100% top formulation. It kind of reminds me a little bit to the cream formulation of Natasha Denona, but more forgiving. More forgiving, so unique and beautiful. I hope that this becomes the staple formulation for Tom Ford. Like if they are thinking to change the classic formulation, not the wet and dry, that they will change it for this, because these will be amazing for everybody. This is something that, like, even the ones that they have some sheen to them, they are, you know, very forgiving. They are just beautiful. They glide on with easy, and I absolutely love this color story. It's not like groundbreaking, you know, it's something, you know, this to me is kind of like the companion to Nude Deep, you know, kind of like that. Because it's that kind of like cool tone with just a little bit of warmth to it that give a very classy, elegant, sexy kind of look. I absolutely love it and 100% recommend it. Okay, my friends, and I think this makes it for this video. Again, don't worry, I will be reviewing Tiger Eye next, or perhaps the other one will be Metal last. I don't know which one is going to go first or second or whatnot, but stay tuned if you want to see more about the new formulations of eyeshadows from Tom Ford. And I would love to hear from you. Are you planning to pick up these new eyeshadow quads from Tom Ford, or you have already picked them up? Let's continue the conversation on the comment section down below. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends, and until next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye!